What's going on, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be filming another Monster High doll review, of course, so this channel has become basically, not mad at it though. But, so recently the Howliday dolls have come out, and of course I had to get Skelita. Obviously you guys know from the title and thumbnail, this is what we're reviewing today. So I actually had saw a post on Instagram from one of like this bigger like Monster High accounts, like a fan account that basically posts like updates and leaks and stuff. They usually post like, sometimes they post like where dolls are in stores, like exclusive dolls and stuff like that. And I saw that there was one here in Oregon that they posted about, and I was like, where in Oregon is it? So I looked it up, and turns out it was only 20 minutes away from me. So I was like, oh my god, I have to go like first thing in the morning, like we're gonna go look for this doll, right? So I went, and they had about 7 of them. I took a picture here on the shelf. It wasn't actually with the dolls, like in the doll aisle. It was like on the outside of the toy aisles with like a bunch of like the holiday exclusive toys. It was like next to like a Lego set. I think it was like a Harry Potter Christmas Lego set. I don't remember. But yeah, the same exact spot it had been where I saw it like on Instagram. So cool. I knew from the Instagram photo that was next to a Lego set, so I was just looking for like a Lego set. I was like, where is it? And finally I saw it. I put a picture of it here. Basically the first doll was like upside down, and I was kind of like looking around that area, but then there was like a mother with their child like pretty much like right in front of where it was, and I was like, it's gotta be around there somewhere, but also don't want to get like, I don't want to like invade the personal space, so I just kind of went to it around, kept looking around, finally it came around, they were gone, and that's when I spotted it. So yes, I'm super happy. Of course I had to grab her. I really like Skelita a lot. Hispanic queen, Mexican queen, right? And obviously Day of the Dead, Dia de Muertos, so had to get it. I know they released a Day of the Dead Skelita like years ago, probably back like during G2, I don't remember. I kind of wasn't really too much into Monster High around this time, like I was just not really into collecting dolls at this time. So I didn't get like, that's when like a bunch of like really cool collector dolls came out, so like I didn't get any of those because I wasn't interested in them. I just didn't know what was releasing. So kind of a little bummed that I didn't get that one original like Skelita doll, but whatever. I do have like the original Scaris Skelita, that's when she first came out, so I'm really happy. I remember I wanted that one so bad. Oh my god, I was like, you have to get me this skeleton Monster High doll. She's a skeleton. I was like, her name's Skelita, you have to get her for me. She's in the new Scaris collection, so it was really cute. I know I still have her somewhere back at my grandma's house, but she's like in a box with like all my other Monster High dolls. And I tried looking for it the last time I went down to Texas, but I couldn't find it. I did find a bunch of like Monster High dolls still in box, but I couldn't find Skelita like with the rest of like my unboxed Monster High dolls. So hopefully next time I visit I can find them. But yes, I'm super excited. She came out to $45. That's how much she cost. There's no sales tax here, so yay. But oh my goodness, I just love her so much. She's so cute, and like I just love like the darker face makeup she has. Really like that, and she doesn't look like all doe-eyed. I remember someone saying like, why does she look so different, and someone was like, oh, it's because she looks like she hasn't been lobotomized. I was like, what the fuck? It's so funny. They did her dirty with those eyes back then. It's really cool finding a Monster High collector doll out in the wild, and it sucks because we have no idea how to find them, you know, because like Walmart doesn't list them, have them listed on the websites, doesn't say if they're available or not, so you don't really know. You just have to go to a Walmart supercenter and just hope you find one, but not every single Walmart has them in stock yet. It's kind of why I wasn't able to get the Howliday Draculaura last year. Also, like a friend of mine had actually offered to get me one because he saw one in store, and I was just gonna pay him back. But I was like, you know, it's fine, I don't need her, because my boyfriend talked me out of her, and I really regret it. So I'm like, I should have just said yes, and I could have just had my mom go pick it up for me. I would just pay them through PayPal or whatever, so I don't know, but I love her. I like how the majority of like her colors are purple. That's why I'm like wearing a bunch of purple today. I have like a purple top on, purple eyeshadow. So yeah, she's darker colors. I think her original, or like the previous collector Skelita, was like more orange. She had like more of an orange color, orange dress. I don't really remember. But I think I do like this headpiece more than the other one. I don't remember too well. I have to look at a picture of her again. But yeah, I really do like this headpiece. I like how it's like these fluffy gold marigolds, and it has like the sugar skullettes on it. I love that so much. And actually the skullets do have some like nice little details on them as well. I'll try to put like a picture up close if I can get one. They have like kind of like little embellishments on their forehead that kind of stick out, and I really like that. Kind of wish those were painted, but it's kind of cool that they're kind of hidden, so yeah, they're really cute. And of course her makeup is really cool, you guys. I like the purple going across like her face, like over her eyes. That looks really cool. And of course like all the embellishments on her face as well is really cute. The little hearts, the flowers, all the little dots, and even her lips are really cute. And she has a really cute necklace that has like a little blue skullet on it as well. And it does have some pretty much like almost the same embellishments as the ones on her flower crown, on her marigold crown. Pretty much like those. Slightly different, I think. I can't really tell though. Tempted to open this doll. I'm like, but I mean, I like keeping my collector dolls in boxes. And then on each wrist she has a bunch of like little bracelets, beaded different colored bracelets. One even has a tiny little skullet on it. You have to like look really closely, otherwise you won't see it. I honestly just noticed it. So that's a really cute detail. And her dress isn't too bad. I saw some complaints about it online. Kind of wish they did some like kind of different detailing, especially like on the top. But other than that, it's not bad. It's cute. I'm not too crazy about the full-on print on her skirt. I've seen some artists do like different like renditions of how it could have looked or like what would have been better. But I mean, it's not bad. I just kind of wish they wouldn't use so many prints on their holiday dolls. Kind of like last year's Valentine's set with Cleo and Deuce. Didn't like Cleo. That's the reason why I didn't get that set, was because of Cleo's dress, and it just like it would have been a cute set to buy, but I just wasn't too crazy about the patterns all over her dress. It just looked too busy and too messy. Not too I don't know. Personally, I just don't like patterns. I don't like a lot of patterns. I like kind of like a clean look. Don't like patterns. But her top is cute. I like the little ruffles on her sleeves. I like the gold, like the kind of like the golden thread running throughout her top. I think that's really pretty. But other than that, the skullet print is cute. So despite not liking prints on clothing, I think it's still cute. I like how there's butterflies all over it, and there's like sugar skullets all over the dress too. Some spiderweb designs. It's not bad. It's definitely not the worst that I've seen. It's really cute. Like, I'm not hating on this doll. I love this doll. Just wish there were some things done a little bit differently, but I still love her. And then the bottom of her dress has a bunch of, whoa, I just hit Stripper's hand. And the bottom of her dress has some like really cute ruffles of like some kind of golden, with like a purple material, kind of the same material as the sleeves. And it does have like a bunch of like golden glitter embedded into the fabric, which is really cool. I think that's a really cute touch. And then underneath that is a hot pink mesh material. And I'm trying to get a look at her shoes. I'm like trying to get a look at her shoes, but I can't really get a good look inside of there. I could always just look up pictures online. It kind of looks like they're covered in like marigolds. I can't really tell. There's like open toe heels with like kind of like marigolds going across the straps of the foot. Now I'm like tempted to open this just so I can peek at her shoes. Oh, so careful, so careful. We're gonna open this, you guys. I'm not gonna get it out. I'm just gonna peek at her shoes. Oh, she has that fresh doll scent to her. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just open this whole doll. Oh, okay. Okay, we're just gonna get her out so we can have a better look at her. That looks so much better with all the plastic shining off of her. Oh, cool. And it looks like she comes with the certificates on the back. This certifies that your Monster High Howliday Dia de Muertos Skelita Calaveras doll materialized through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. Wow, cute. So that's cool. Every single collector doll comes with a certificate. That's cute. I do love me some certificates. So now we can get a better look at her. And oh my goodness, you guys, I love her details so much. Like her legs are just like skeleton legs. Oh my goodness, just like him. Yeah, that's the thing I like about the Skelita doll, because she has so much details. Like the whole like skeleton body mold's like super cool. But yes, her shoes are so cute. Okay, so the soles, or the base of the shoes, are like kind of like a brown, almost like wicker looking material. Like, I mean, it's obviously made out of plastic, but they created it to make it look like wicker, like brown sandals. And then the straps of the shoe are covered in gold and yellow marigolds. And I'm looking at her bracelets, and yes, they do have a glow skullet designed on them. Two of them have that. I think that's cute. I can't tell if the yellow one does too. I'm super happy I was able to get this out because oh my goodness, I like looking at her like closer. And oh my goodness guys, I love her hands. The skeleton hands is so cute. This is like the joy I had when I first opened Skelita. Back when I first got her, like probably like over 10 years ago now that I think about it. Also, I almost forgot to talk about her hair. So her hair is actually really cute. Wish I could see how it looks without like being tied into the packaging. But I do like her blue highlights in the back, coming from the back of her head. I think that's a really cute touch. I think the original Skelita had orange, but it's cool that they used blue for this one. Although I think the original orange still would look cool with this color palette. I think it totally would have gone with it actually. But I mean the blue does kind of tie in with some of the elements on her, like some of her makeup and some of her accessories, so it's not bad. It's cute. Even her dress too has some blue in it as well. And the background is really cool. I really like the background. It has a bunch of like really cute designs all over it. And the altar in the background is really cute as well. I really like the altar setup. It has some pan de muerto on it, some candles, some vases, like pretty much all the offerings and stuff, and marigolds on it. There's even marigold petals on the floor that she's walking on. I think that's really cool. And just like the whole design, I just love it so much, you guys. But yeah, I think it's really cool that they did a Dia de Muertos holiday doll. I love that so much. Hopefully they can do like a Halloween one next year. That would be really cool, but I'm really happy they did it. They did a Day of the Dead one. I know I do have some Day of the Dead Barbie dolls back home. Now that I think about it, I think I have like 2 of them. They're really, I love her so much. I'm so happy I got her. Yeah, even the box itself has like really pretty designs all over it as well. Love it. The front, I like the front. The marigolds and spiderwebs, candles, butterflies, all that. The side as well. And then the back of the box has a big picture of Skelita on it, so you can kind of see how her hair would look if it was down. So it has a description on it. It said, Dia de Muertos begins, and the scent of pan de muerto fills the air, warm and sweet as I arrange a traditional marigold headpiece in my hair. Mi mommy puts the finishing touches on my Dia de Muertos gown, which is strewn with Monster High marigold and sugar skull details. While my butterfly native flutters around the papel picado, once mi familia gathers, it is time to visit the ofrenda and celebrate our rich heritage. I hold Abuelita's hand and descend upon a candlelit pathway with my dress dancing in the flickering light and my corazón bursting with love for all those I'm about to honor. I think that's a really cute description. I love it so much. Kind of like the mix of like the English and Spanish together. It's kind of cute. I'm just like, it's like all in Spanish. Like it's like all in English, but then like it has like some Spanish words kind of like sewn into it basically. It's cute. Bilingual queen. So yes, I am super happy that the Walmart was actually close by me and that had the doll still in stock, because the post, when I first saw the post, it was like the day, it was like pretty much late into the night basically, and it was posted like 15 hours ago, and I was like shit. I was like, I hope they're, because I want to go first thing in the morning when they open. They open at 6 a.m. and I was like, oh, I hope they still have them in stock, because in the picture it looked like they only had like 6 left. But when I got there, they had 7, so probably couldn't see them on the photo. Maybe they kind of restocked a little. I don't know. But I saw a Reddit post earlier, someone saying that their husband actually went to the same exact Walmart that I went to, and they found a doll for her, and there was only 2 left. So, and that was like maybe like 8 hours ago when I read it. It's like 3 a.m. now, but when I read it earlier, it was like posted like 8 hours ago or so. So I don't know exactly what time they were like running low in stock. I went early in the morning and they still had a bunch. But I guess they're kind of going fast. I don't know if they're gonna be as popular as Draculaura. Draculaura is a very popular character, and those ones basically flew off the shelf. I never saw any. I even tried calling Walmart, like the closest Walmart to me, to see if they had any in stock, or if they were gonna get any in stock. And they left me on hold for like 40 minutes. I don't know why I stuck around for that long, but I was like waiting, hoping that they'd come back, and they never did. So I was like, okay, well, if that's how it is, I guess. So yeah, and then one of my friends offered to get me one, and I said no, and I regret it, so. But I'm happy I was able to get the holiday doll this year for Dia de Muertos. So that'll be it for today's video. That'll be it for today's review. I review a lot of dolls on this channel. It's becoming a Monster High channel basically. I swear guys, it's not a Monster High channel. It's just I happen to buy a lot of Monster High dolls and I like reviewing them, so that's what we do now. So make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also check out my other Monster High content if you're here for that. I do have some Monster High makeup tutorials including Dracula, Frankenstein, and Laguna. And of course I do have some like other Monster High doll reviews as well on my channel. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!